This is the Alienware AW2725QF. And Alienware says it can replace 2 monitors with 1 button press. A sharp 4K display for immersive single-player games and a lightning-fast 1080p esports monitor for competitive play. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? So after using this as my main gaming monitor, here's the thing. Alienware actually nailed something here, but it's not for everyone. Let's talk about who this is really for. Alienware AW2725QF Dual Product Overview. This is the Alienware AW2725QF, a 27-inch dual-mode gaming monitor released in late 2024. Alienware's big idea here is simple but ambitious. One panel that can run 4K at 180 Hz or 1080p at 360 Hz, instantly switching modes depending on what you're playing. It's aimed squarely at gamers who bounce between cinematic AAA titles and competitive shooters. Think Cyberpunk one night, Valorant the next. Priced in the premium category, this is clearly for enthusiasts who want flexibility without cluttering their desk with multiple monitors. Alienware AW2725QF Dual Performance. In 4K mode, the AW2725QF is stunning. Games like Horizon Forbidden West and Alan Wake 2 look insanely sharp, with excellent color depth and strong contrast thanks to its fast IPS panel. Motion clarity at 180 Hz is buttery smooth, and input lag is low enough that it never feels sluggish, even in fast-paced action games. Now, switch over to 1080p at 360 Hz, and this monitor becomes a completely different beast. Competitive shooters feel insanely responsive, mouse movements are immediate, tracking feels tighter, and flick shots just feel easier to land. If you've never used a 360 Hz display before, the jump from 144 Hz or even 240 Hz is noticeable, especially if you're sensitive to motion clarity. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this monitor special. First up, dual-mode resolution switching. This lets you toggle between 4K 180 Hz and 1080p 360 Hz with a simple setting change. Why does that matter? Because you're no longer compromising. You get eye candy when you want immersion and raw speed when you want wins. Second, fast IPS panel with excellent response times. Alienware tuned this panel really well. Motion clarity stays clean in both modes, with minimal ghosting even at 360 Hz. That's huge for competitive gamers. Third, G-Sync compatible and adaptive sync support. This means fewer screen tears and smoother gameplay, whether you're on an NVIDIA or AMD GPU. In real life, it just makes games feel more consistent. And finally, console support. It supports HDMI 2.1 features like 4K at 120 Hz for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. So yeah, this works great as a high-end console monitor too. Design and build. You get that clean, futuristic Alienware design, sleek white chassis, subtle RGB lighting on the back, and super solid build quality. It feels premium, not flashy. The stand is fully adjustable with height, tilt, swivel, and pivot, which is a big deal for long gaming sessions. The bezels are thin, the screen coating handles reflections well, and overall this just looks like a high-end piece of gear on your desk. My only nitpick? The stand is a bit deep, so if you're on a small desk, plan accordingly, or just Visa mount it. Pros. Dual-mode 4K and 1080p actually works beautifully. Premium build quality and ergonomic stand. Great for both PC and next-gen console gaming. Cons. Expensive compared to single-mode monitors. HDR performance is decent, not class-leading. Final verdict. Look, if you're the kind of gamer who plays everything, competitive shooters, story-driven AAA games, and even console titles, this monitor makes a ton of sense. It genuinely replaces 2 displays without feeling like a compromise. That's rare. If you're a competitive esports player, you'll love the 360 mode. If you're a visual-first gamer, the 4K experience is sharp, smooth, and immersive. But if you only play one type of game, you might save money with a dedicated 4K or 360Hz panel instead. For the right person, though, this is one of the smartest gaming monitors Alienware has ever made. It's not just a spec flex, it's actually useful.